Hey, it's Eran here. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set up the SEO settings on New Zenler. Now, this is really important because of two reasons. When you're sharing a link on social media, then automatically this will come up. And these are the SEO settings. Now, if I share something else, like this page as an example, then you see this picture is kind of crap, right? And I can also change preview and see other options. But again, the point is that you want it to look the way you want it to look. So for example, if somebody is signing up, or if I want somebody to join and get a consulting from me or whatever, and I want to share the link, then this is the correct banner. And I want the text to also say exactly what this is about and not something random. So I'm going to show you how to do that in New Zenler. So when you are creating an online course or you've got any of the pages, it doesn't matter which page on New Zenler you're using, you're going to click on the actual page and you will need to change that individually on the pages. And I'm going to show you how and where. So when you first create a page and save a page, it will automatically prompt you to add the SEO settings. But if you need to change it, which you may want to do that, you then all you do is you look at the right button right here, this little drop down, and then you click on two things. You've got SEO settings, and here is where you change it. Now, this is the preview of what it will look like. So I'm going to change it to Eran Bukai SEO settings demo, let's say. And then here I want to put the information about what it is. Have a read of what it says. Short paragraph that describes the page's content. It should include relevant keywords. So basically what you see here, software consultation with Eran Bukai, that is the short paragraph. Then you want to include the most important keywords. So in my case, for this page, for example, it will be platform consultation as an example, or Eran Bukai consultation. That will be the keyword. So Eran Bukai consultation. And then what you want to do is you want to upload an image. So you see the image right here. You can change that image by uploading it right here. And you can just go and create it on Canva, and that's how you do it. So I can upload this image, for example, and then this is what it will look like. So this is really important to update all of that. And then you want to check this and leave it on. So if you want people to be able to find it on the search engines. Now, you also have something that's called page settings. This is a little bit different. This is, you don't need to worry about that too much. That's more relevant to customization. Like it's a little bit more coding and Facebook pixel and things like that. You don't have to worry about that. What you want to do is the SEO settings, okay? Now, the other thing is when you look at this link now also, you will see that you see how at the top it says here masterclass registration. So basically the text that it says here, SEO settings demo, it will say that on the top as well. So I'm just going to do a preview and then just have a look. See, SEO settings demo. Now if I want to change that, I will change it to, let's say, masterclass. Just as an example, just for the sake of demonstration. I'm going to click on save. And I'm going to refresh. And now you see it says masterclass, okay? Now, by the way, you see here this New Zenler favicon. If you want to change that, you do it somewhere totally different. It's just something that I noticed that I want to teach you. You go to site, you go to branding, and then on the branding, you're going to upload the favicon right here. Click on upload and just upload the favicon. That's about it. If you have any questions, you want to know a little bit more about New Zenler, you got anything like you haven't signed up, you want to test it out for a free trial, all you got to do is go to tryzenler.com and sign up for a free account and test it out. If you want help to learn about New Zenler and see how I can help you get your Zenler website done, go to eranbukai.com, eranfunnels.com/Zenler, and this is my one-on-one service on New Zenler, so you can get help with that. And if you want help with just getting your website done, but do it on your own, but just get some coaching, get some free checklists and stuff like that, go to website DIYcourse.com. I have 3 excellent resources for your use. where you'll see number 1, a training video, number 2, a website creation checklist, number 3, website creation glossary, and number 4, a sales page template that you can follow and input so you can actually create a sales page using Zenler. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're new to this channel, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. If you want me to create a specific video on Zenler, please let me know. Leave it in the comment below and I'll happily create it for you. That's about it. Thanks a lot. Speak to you soon.